Hey, I'm Dan Fitzpatrick, stockmarketmentor.com. First, I want to thank everybody at IBD. I was on IBD Live this morning with Ali and the rest of the gang, and that's always a blast. So thanks all of you for hosting me. Now, I want to look at Insulet Corporation, PODD. This was stock that was covered today. First of all, right off the bat, the stock's up 9% today, so you're chasing it if you're buying the stock like on Monday. If you're seeing this, it's up 9% here. I think especially in light of the way the stock traded, it kind of traded down into the close. The idea here would be hopefully we get the stock to pull back a bit and give a better opportunity to buy right around 250 or so. But this is this is kind of it's an obesity thing. Right. It's an obesity stock, just like some of these others with automated insulin delivery for diabetes, things like that. So it's a pretty important industry, and this is a pretty important stock or a pretty important company. So you can see right here on the weekly, the real resistance here was about 240, and the stock ran up. It just kind of screamed higher. And so what my suggestion is, and first of all, earnings are out of the way. That's why the stock did what it did. But I would let this trade, I would let it play out for a couple of days. Don't be rushing in to buy here. If we turn these standard deviation bands or Bollinger Bands to three standard deviations, you can see the stock is well outside three standard deviations. And this is like stocks trade or at least close within three standard deviations, literally like 99.9% of the time. So this is kind of breaking a law of mathematics here. And so sooner or later, the stock's going to pause or maybe even come in a little bit. And so what I would suggest doing is watch this stock. If you're long the stock, I don't know. I don't even know if I'd suggest taking profits on any of it. It's only up 10%, so it's not that big a deal if you're holding the stock. But if you're looking to buy, just waiting for the stock to come down to around 250-ish, maybe even 255 if you can get it, that's 5%. And where I'm coming from, 5% one way or another does matter. So anyway, that's the way I would do it. If you're a stock market mentor, subscriber, we got a lot of stuff to talk about, and I'm doing that in the premium strategy session. We've got one stock, one position that's up 40%, another that's 30, another that's 20, a couple that are in the high teens. I mean, we got some really, really good trades going. So I want to dig into those in the premium section. By the way, if you're not a member, check it out. You get a 14-day trial. It's like the price of what 2 commissions used to be. Okay, we'll put it that way. I'll see you guys next time.